Hello and welcome guys. Today we are back with another video. We are making Nawabi Paneer, but we are going to make the vegetarian version of it. That means we're not going to be using any onion or garlic because it's considered a non-veg in some parts of India. Just to run you through the main ingredients first, we have paneer cubes as you can see here. Besides that, milk, some oil. We made two pastes here. So one of the paste is tomato and green chili paste, is the one you see in the center. And then on the right, we also have a paste that has been made out of cashew nuts and poppy seeds. To add to that, we'll use some whole spices. We have cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves, salt, sugar, and some ghee. That's about it. Let's get started. The first step here, guys, is to take some oil and ghee in a pan and heat it up. And when the oil and the ghee heats up, we're going to just add in the paneer and light fry the paneer. Maintain the flame at low medium at this point in time. As we mentioned before, we are just going to light fry the paneer here. As you can see now, the paneer is just about starting to brown up, but we'll make sure that there is no additional color. This is exactly the way we want it. Now we'll just transfer the paneer into the milk that we set aside. And now we'll just set this aside while we go on to the next step of making the masala. In the same pan, we'll now add in some more oil and ghee. Once the oil and ghee has heated up again, we're going to add in the whole spices, cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom. We'll add in the tomato green chili paste now. After braising for around 5 minutes, we just have the slightest hint of oil releasing, and this would be a nice time to add in our second paste, which, to remind you, is a paste that we made out of cashew nuts and poppy seeds. After mixing well, we are going to add in the sugar and salt. After a couple of minutes of cooking, the color has slightly changed, as you can see, and now we will just add in the paneer that we had soaked in the milk. We now mix everything and maintain the flame at low. Now we've increased the flame to medium, and we are going to cover and cook it with occasional stirring until we get the desired consistency, as this is going to be a thick gravy. After a couple of minutes, we are going to add in some more ghee. The aroma at this point in time is really great. And just don't forget to notice the creamy texture of the gravy. And our Nawabi Paneer is now absolutely ready. We will now go on to serving it. And let's now serve our Nawabi Paneer. And already, guys, enjoy!